Good evening, viewers. This is the Wolf Times. Tonight's top story exposes a major embarrassment for India's defense industry as its indigenous Tejas fighter jet has failed catastrophically at an international platform, the Dubai Air Show. A HAL-built Tejas of the Indian Air Force crashed during a live aerial display at Al Maktoum International Airport around 2:10 p.m. local time. The aircraft was performing an aerobatic maneuver when it abruptly lost control and plunged to the ground. Thick black smoke engulfed the runway moments after impact, instantly signaling a complete systems failure. Indian media reports state that the aircraft was flown by Wing Commander Vikram Singh, who tragically lost his life in the crash. The Indian Air Force later confirmed that the pilot suffered fatal injuries, marking yet another dark chapter in India's struggle to field a reliable combat aircraft. The incident caused panic among spectators, families, children, and aviation enthusiasts running for safety as emergency sirens blared. Security teams rushed to evacuate exhibition zones while rescue crews worked to contain the fire triggered by the crash. Arab outlets report that the Dubai Air Show has been temporarily suspended, all due to the failure of India's much-hyped fighter jet. This accident is only the second recorded crash of the Tejas, but it carries far greater consequences. The aircraft has long been promoted by Indian Army as proof of its technological progress, yet repeated technical issues, delays, and performance concerns have raised doubts even before this disaster. Today's crash in front of global defense delegations now stands as a major international embarrassment for India. The Tejas program developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has faced decades of delays, cost overruns, frequent redesigns. Despite India claiming the LCA Mk-1A features advanced avionics, AESA radar, and modern electronic warfare suite, today's failure puts serious question marks on the aircraft's airworthiness, structural integrity, and flight safety. Analysts say this crash severely damages India's push to export the Tejas to foreign buyers. Countries evaluating the aircraft will now be reassessing whether India's fighter jet is truly capable or simply an inflated claim without the real performance. This failure at an international stage may set India's indigenous fighter program back years. India's defense officials and HAL have not yet given any detailed explanation, a silence that further reflects the lack of transparency surrounding the project. More information is expected once investigators complete their assessment, but for now, the world has witnessed a very public failure of India's most promoted aircraft. You are listening to The Wolf Times. Fearless, fast, and focused.